So this is an interesting couple I'm going to tell. So this couple is married for 6 years and the husband is 37 years old and wife is 30 years old. They came to us with complaints of primary infertility, and when we evaluated, we found out that the husband had severe oligoacidotetrazoospermia. I will show you his semen parameters. So this is the sperm which we had got for him. You can see there are occasional motile sperms. So this is what the parameters we had found for him. This was there at the time of so these are the sperm parameters which was present at the time of ICSI. And I'll show then regarding the wife, she was kind of healthy, but she had hypertension. And these are the eggs which were retrieved at the time of ICSI. You can see it's a good quality eggs are present. And this is the ICSI process which was done for them. And they are injecting it in the egg. So this is the process done. And the very happy thing is I'll show the blasts which are formed for them. You can see how good the day 5 blasts are there. So we have not yet done the embryo transfer, but we hope and we pray to God to get a good conception, because these are some of the wonderful blasts we are able to get for them. So we always thank God for this blessing. Thank you. You can see how good the blasts are. So these are wonderful blasts, day 5 growth. So with good cavity, so we are hoping to get the best result for them.